Coins seen in dream are the markers of talks and words. Silver coin is an auspicious news and joyful words or money. Copper coin refers to an auspicious lucky work or event. Golden coin is a jealousy, gossip, annoying talk, or evil eye. Someone finding money on road or street will get money or chance from somewhere far away. Banknote, seen in dream, refers to abundance following some responsibilities. It may also be about a promise given by the dreamer. Green-colored banknote tells the dreamer's fortune will be activated. Foreign banknotes are money or opportunities coming from foreign countries. Losing money in dream means losing his position or valuable possessions. But losing golden coins doesn't have bad meaning. Losing silver coins is the messenger of sadness, distress, and grief.